Center feels good, so that's good. It means I don't need spider gears. Alright guys, well, that's the teardown. As you can see, it's nasty. Lots of dirt in there. So I'm gonna have to tear this completely down and re-clean everything out, get the new pinion put in it. So that whole differential case has got to come out. That whole bulkhead's got to come out. But yeah, I did it good, that's for sure. Alright guys, until I get everything cleaned up and ready to put back together, I'll see you shortly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Thanks. Have a good one.